Hi, my name's Rick. Welcome to my workshop. Today I'm going to show what's in the box when you order a Folger Prusa i3 2020 all-aluminum kit. Let's start with what's not in the box, but I ordered anyhow. A roll of PAL natural filament. It did come vacuum sealed, but I broke the vacuum, so I put a piece of tape on there to keep it sealed. Next is an LCD kit. This didn't come with the package for the $269 that the printer cost, but I did order one because, well, I think it'd be easier to use without it. Let's open this up and take a look at it. Next that I ordered that wasn't part of the kit were some 9-gram servos for use for a auto bed leveling system. I ordered a second LCD kit. This is the graphical LCD kit. I didn't decide which one I wanted, and I do have another build that I'm doing that will use the one that I don't use on this build. Now what was in the kit, there is a bag with the ramps, the Mega Uno, 5 stepper drivers, cables, end stops, and a screwdriver for tuning. Also included is all the cabling that you need to hook up all the motors, end stops, wiring. There is a extruder, very basic, very rudimentary extruder, direct drive, very basic hot end direct drive. I'm not thrilled with this, but you know what? For $250, $269, I don't really expect very much more, and this can be upgraded with whatever system that you would like to run in the future. There is a heated bed. I'm not pulling that out of the box right now, but there is a heated bed. There is a aluminum bed plate set, which has the 2 5mm threaded rods, aluminum bed plate, and laser cut parts. I did actually have this open at one time, come to think of it. And it comes like that. Your 2 5mm rods, some laser cut parts, and the aluminum under build plate. This is not the print plate. From what I understand, this is what the bearings mount onto, and on top of that is the heated bed, and then a piece of glass that's not included in the kit. There is sample filament. A bag of random printed parts. Well, not random, but there's a bag of printed parts. Print quality on these. Let's see if we can get a little bit better view on that. It's not bad. I mean, if this is the print quality I can expect from the printer, I will be perfectly happy for the purposes I'm using it for. Of course, the part that's printed on the glass bed is always nice and flat, but they don't look bad at all. There is a bag of, This was ordered extra for another project I'm doing. T-nuts, corner brackets, and L brackets, along with assorted hardware for another build. There is a 360 watt power supply. Not the best in the world. I'll probably end up replacing this with something a little bit more robust in the future. There is a bag of screws. A whole list of screws that are on here. Wire wraps, miscellaneous hardware. One of the first steps is to knoll the entire bag of parts, probably into a container like this one that I picked up at the dollar store for, you know, $1.99. Put each one of the, actually it's $1.25. Put each one of the sizes into its own compartment. It will probably make for an easier build that way, or something similar. There are bearings, more bearings, couplers for the Z-axis, and some Kapton tape in this bag. Not going to open that. These are the motor mounts. Yeah, these are the motor mounts. The motor mounts, the rod mounts where the 8mm rod goes into, and couplers of some sort. Again, I'll have to read through the directions to find out exactly what they do. A power cord. This is the 8mm smooth rod. I tell you something. I was looking at building my own from scratch. This stuff is next to impossible to find, and when you do find it, it's very expensive. This is a box of steppers. There are 3 smaller ones, 1 larger size. These are rated at 2.6 kilograms per centimeter, and this one's 4.8 kilograms per centimeter. What can you say about steppers? There is G2 belt and pulleys. You know, I ordered exactly the same thing from China. It's exactly the same package. I'm pretty sure what this company does is order parts from China, puts it into a box and call it a kit, but better than what I could do. And then these beams, all pre-cut to size. There's a lot of shavings in this. Let's see if you can see that. You know, see all the shavings sit on the tape? Yeah, there we go. See all the shavings on the tape? Hopefully they all come out. But I'm definitely going to open this up away from the electronics and clean these off before I use them. Those shavings from the cutting process could be very detrimental to electronics, I would think. But we'll find out. And that's what was in my box. Thank you very much.